Have you ever wondered what the best time of day to work out really is? Morning, afternoon, or night? Which one gives you the most benefits? Today, we're breaking down the science and psychology behind workout timing and how you can use it to boost your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for long-term health. It strengthens your heart, improves mood, supports metabolism, and even enhances sleep. But when you exercise can influence how effective your workouts are, from fat burning to muscle growth to consistency. Before we dive into timing, let's talk about what happens when we neglect our health. A poor diet, lack of physical activity, chronic stress, smoking, alcohol, and sleep deprivation all contribute to poor performance and recovery. These habits disrupt hormones like cortisol and insulin, leading to fatigue, weight gain, low motivation, and muscle weakness. Without regular exercise or balanced routines, your body's natural rhythm, called your circadian rhythm, becomes unbalanced. This makes it harder to stay consistent, recover properly, and achieve your fitness goals. Ignoring your body's need for regular exercise doesn't just slow progress, it increases your risk for diseases like obesity, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease. Physically inactive people are also more likely to experience anxiety, depression, and chronic fatigue. That's why timing your workouts around your body's energy peaks can make exercise feel easier and more enjoyable, reducing the likelihood of burnout or quitting. So, how do you know your fitness timing isn't working for you? Common warning signs include feeling constantly tired before or after exercise, poor sleep quality, muscle soreness that lasts too long, low motivation to work out, irregular eating or sleep patterns. If your workout schedule leaves you drained rather than energized, your timing might be working against your natural rhythm. Now let's answer the big question. What is the best time of day to work out? Morning workouts, great for consistency and metabolism. Studies show that exercising in the morning helps regulate hormones, improves focus, and supports fat loss. It also boosts your mood throughout the day. Afternoon workouts, ideal for strength and performance. Your body temperature is higher, muscles are more flexible, and reaction time improves, making it easier to lift heavier or run faster. Evening workouts, perfect for stress relief. Exercising after work can help reduce anxiety, relax the body, and improve sleep quality, as long as it's not too close to bedtime. In short, the best time is the one that fits your lifestyle consistently. Here's how to make your exercise routine sustainable. Plan ahead. Choose a workout time you can stick to, not just the ideal one. Stay hydrated. Dehydration reduces energy and performance. Eat balanced meals. Include proteins, carbs, and healthy fats for fuel. Prioritize recovery. Stretch, sleep, and rest between sessions. Listen to your body. Modify intensity based on how you feel. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. Regular activity, even for 30 minutes a day, is better than occasional intense workouts. Historically, humans have always been active throughout the day, hunting, farming, and gathering food in rhythm with sunlight. Today, modern science supports that our bodies perform best when exercise aligns with our natural circadian rhythm. Research shows that morning exercisers tend to stick to routines longer, while evening athletes often perform better in terms of endurance and strength. So both options are scientifically valid. It depends on your goals and body clock. Neglecting regular exercise or ignoring body cues can lead to long-term issues, from weakened immunity to heart problems, obesity, and even poor mental health. A sedentary lifestyle increases the risk of chronic pain, joint stiffness, and decreased mobility with age. Inconsistent habits can also lead to emotional instability, anxiety, and poor sleep, all of which feed into a cycle of poor health. So, when's the best time to work out? The truth is, it's the time that works best for you. Whether it's morning, afternoon, or night, what matters most is consistency. Take care of your body, respect your limits, and find a routine that fuels your energy instead of draining it. Remember, Your fitness journey isn't a race, it's a lifestyle. This content is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before beginning a new exercise or diet program. Stay consistent, stay healthy, and keep moving, because every rep brings you closer to your best self.